Today I have a great recipe for you. Watermelon pizza. Yes, it's the best pizza you will ever have in your life. Why is that? Because it's hydrating, number one. It's anti-inflammatory. It contains the amino acid citrulline, which produces nitric oxide, which is very important for our bodies because it expands the blood vessels, it improves our circulation. It's great for people that have high blood pressure or hypertension. So many advantages to watermelon here. That's why I say it's 1,000,000 times better than regular pizza, okay? This loves you back, okay? Pizza doesn't, especially if it's got cheese, all right? So, or meat, it's not gonna love you back. So, what a great food. Loaded with vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, B1, B5, B6, minerals. It's got magnesium, it's got potassium, phosphorus, copper, and zinc. Great food. And I wanted to talk a little bit today about mono eating. And what that means is you eat just one food for the entire meal until you are satiated, until you're full, and that's going to hold you over until the next meal. Now, why is this so good? Because it gives you optimal digestion, absorption, and assimilation. There's no other food involved. This is it. And your body can absorb it and assimilate it just off the charts so well. So mono meals, sometimes it's difficult for beginners because, you know, eating that much fruit, people say, oh man, I don't feel good or I'm full, okay? Now that's because, you know, I was just like you. I was on a cooked food diet, a high-fat diet. I was eating meat and chicken and pizza and everything else. And when you're eating cooked foods, that much cooked food, your stomach dehydrates, it shrinks in a way, okay? Most people are dehydrated. Now, once you start eating more fruits and vegetables, your body and your tissues start to become more hydrated. And your stomach will expand so you can eat more fruit. Now, don't get that confused with getting fat. It's just that your stomach will be able to hold more fruit. So in the beginning, you know, for a beginner, eating 2 to 4 bananas can be a challenge. But for someone like me, I've been doing this for 13 years, you know, eating 10 or 12 bananas is not a big deal to me, especially if I have a lot of activity planned and I know I need, you know, a decent amount of calories to sustain me to my next meal. So it all depends too on how tall you are, how much you weigh, and your fitness level, how athletic you are. You know, if you're not real active and you're a smaller person, you don't weigh that much, you're not going to need a lot of calories. But here's the thing. I want you to remember this. Every human being on the planet is an athlete. We have to be. We were created that way. Okay? We're all athletes. Now, you will become a better athlete once you start eating more fruit and your stomach starts to expand and you can eat larger quantities of fruit. Why will you become a better athlete? Because you're going to have more energy now. You're going to be looking for things to do, all right? You're going to be looking for things, that active things where you can move your body, okay? And you're going to have better recovery. when you do the active things, you're not going to feel that sore the next day. You're going to feel fine. You're going to feel like getting up and doing it again. So you see, you're going to become a better athlete. So mono eating is a very good habit to get into. So here, for the watermelon pizza, I just slice it. Put it on a plate. Cut it up like a pizza. And that's it. And that's the other thing. It's so simple. There's no cleanup. I mean, not much. And it's so, like I said, this food loves you back. You feel good after you eat this. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And to your health success. Take care.